Hello everyone. Happy October 16th. Today we celebrate food, bosses, and the joy of dictionary diving. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Food Day, a global celebration of nourishment, sustainability, and food access. A great gift could be a donation to a hunger relief organization, a cookbook of global recipes, or a farm-to-table gift basket. What's one dish that brings people together? Let's share it in the comments. Next, it's National Bosses Day, a chance to appreciate leadership, mentorship, and workplace kindness. A sweet gift could be a personalized desk accessory, a thank you card set, or a coffee gift box. What makes a great boss in your eyes? Let's celebrate them below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Dictionary Day, honoring the birthday of Noah Webster and the power of words. A thoughtful gift could be a pocket dictionary, a word of the day calendar, or a vocabulary building game. What's your favorite word? Let's define it in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early.
Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.